In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Cloudflare WARP privacy settings on your PC. To get started, open the Cloudflare One client on your computer. In most cases, you'll find it in the taskbar icons area, usually near the clock on the bottom right side of your screen. If you don't immediately see it, you may need to click the small arrow that shows hidden icons. Once you find the Cloudflare icon, click on it to open the app. After the app opens, head over to the Settings section. This is where you can manage how Cloudflare WARP works on your PC and adjust the privacy features based on your needs. If you use your computer on different types of networks, this area is especially useful because it lets you decide how much protection you want enabled. Inside the settings, you'll see the option to change the connection mode. You can switch it from DNS only to both DNS and traffic. DNS only typically means that only your DNS requests are being protected, while the DNS and traffic option extends that protection to more of your internet activity. If you want broader privacy coverage while browsing or using apps online, this is the setting you'll likely want to use. You'll also have the option to disable WARP for wireless or wired connections. This can be helpful if you only want the service active on certain types of networks. For example, you might prefer one setup when you're on Wi-Fi and a different one when you're connected with an Ethernet cable. Just choose the option that best matches how you want your device to behave. Another useful setting is the Families drop-down. Click on that and you can select an option to block malware and adult content. This is a simple way to add another layer of protection, especially if you want safer browsing on your PC or if the computer is shared with others. It helps filter certain harmful or inappropriate content without requiring any extra setup. One important thing to keep in mind is that these changes apply immediately. That means as soon as you select a new option, Cloudflare WARP updates its behavior right away. Because of that, it's a good idea to review each setting carefully before closing the app, just to make sure everything is configured the way you want. And that's all there is to it. That's how you update Cloudflare WARP privacy settings on your PC.